What's up, guys? Joe here from Joe's Golden Garage, watching another auction today. This is down in Columbus, Georgia. And we'll go ahead and jump to our first car. We got a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. Oh, and by the way, this is not a Volkswagen sale. That just happens to be the car up for bid. This is, $2,000. That was a 14 Jetta with 100 and, I forgot how many miles. That was pretty cheap, though. This is a Chevrolet store. These are new car trade-ins. Just happened to be a Volkswagen. I don't know what's up with her feed. Where's our picture? It says we should have a 2005 Chevrolet Uplander, which is a minivan with 142,000. Oh, never mind. $600. Now we're on to an 07 Volvo XC90, 130,000 miles. It's a 3.7 on the credit, or on the condition report. 3.7 is pretty good for a 07. Let's see what this thing brings. 2,100 is the high bid, it looks like. No, they can't get a bid. Well, I got one from... Ah, there we go. These things sell cheap. It's a good buy. For an 07 with a 3.7 CR condition report. That's pretty good. It's got sunroof, leather. Wonder if it has the third row. I don't know if it's going to show it. Can't really tell in that picture. It looks like we've got a high bid of... looks like it's going to sell. Sold $2,700. That was a good buy for an 07 XC90. Good buy. Alright, we've got a 2011 Honda Accord EX. 147,000 miles. It's only a 2.0 condition report, which is kind of low for a 2011. Might be a little rough around the edges. Let's see where our bidding is. There goes my connection again. Just having terrible connection problems. Sold $4,000. Sold $4,000. Pretty good for an 11 Honda Accord.
It does matter. It matters to me, but I missed you. It matters to all of us. Did you see? I never saw it.
What do we got? That's a BMW sitting there, but it says we got an 06 Cadillac STS. So let's see what we have. Yeah, my connection issues are driving me nuts today. I mean, my internet Wi-Fi is just through that door. Oh, we got, okay. 09 BMW 535i. This is a BMW of Columbus trade-in, 105,000 miles, 2.9 out of 5 on the condition report. Let's see what our bids look like. Sounds pretty cheap for a 09 535i with just 105,000 miles. Let's see. Nope, they didn't sell it. Didn't get a high enough bid, so they didn't sell it. All right, we got a 2014 Mercedes C250 3.1 on the condition report. 94,000 miles. White. Pretty nice little car. They're trying to get a bid. Let's see. Okay, it looks like they got some bids. 62, 6,300. Again, it's a 2014 Mercedes C250 with almost 95,000 miles. 3.1 on the condition report. I mean, retail on a car lot, someone would probably be asking around 10 grand, I'd think. 99, 95. Sold 7,100. That was a pretty good buy. That car was good, decent enough, which it probably was pretty good. All right, we got a 90, let's see, what we got? 2013 Hyundai Sonata. It's got 98,000 miles, 4.2 condition report out of 5. So that's good condition, really good condition. Clean car, 98,000 miles. Let's see if we can get a bid. $6,500. Ooh, what we got here? Oh, nice. 2010 Mercedes GL 450. 114,000 miles. BMW of Columbus. Trade-in. It's a 3.8 out of 5. Couldn't get a bid on it. Nope, could not get a bid. I thought that seemed a little high for 2010. Those things, ooh, they're problematic. Ooh. All right, we've got a 2011 BMW 535 Xi, which is 4-wheel drive. 112,000. Only a 2.9 out of 5 on the CR. BMW of Columbus again. Now we've got some bids. We got some activity on this one. We're at 7 grand. Sorry, I can't show you certain parts of the screen because it's got some of my personal information on there. All right, $7,000 sold. Not bad. That's pretty well bought. Okay, we got a 13 X5. Looks like it's got the 3.5 engine, which I think is a twin turbo 3.5. 141,000 miles, so it's got some highway miles on it for a 13. Looks like, let's see if this is a real bid or not. No, we ain't got a bid yet. No bid yet. Okay, we got a bid. I think. Hang on. Sometimes they started out and these bids are false. Yep, got a bid. 7,900. 8,000. Ooh, it's a 4.0 on the CR condition report. That's a 4.0 out of 5 is really good for any car that has 141,000 miles. It's really good. Nope. They wouldn't sell it.
One time, let me ask this man if he'll sell it. And once, twice, time, but don't 3 times. I'd rather do this tell you.
They want $9,500 for the car, but they're trying to make a deal. Nope, they didn't make a deal. So that one didn't sell. Okay, we've got an 08 535, 90,000 miles. It's a 3.5 condition report. BMW of Columbus again. See what we got as a bid. Ooh, starting out cheap. Sold it. $2,900. It's pretty good for a 08 535. I mean, because this 04 Honda Pilot all-wheel drive VX, almost 200,000 miles, 198. God, it's a 4.02 as well. I mean, a 4.0 with 200,000 miles. Man, you're kidding me. That condition report's crazy. Now watch, it'll sell as much as that BMW, if not more. Because it's a Honda Pilot. Yeah, we've already passed. No, it's going to sell for the same amount. Nope. We got a couple more bids. Sold for $3,100 for an 04 Honda Pilot with almost 200,000 miles. That's crazy. All right, we got an 09 Lexus RX 350 front wheel drive. Gosh, it has almost 200,000 miles. 199,558. It's a 4.4 out of 5 on the condition report. Man, these cars are clean trade-ins down there. These things are in good shape. Watch this car bring crazy money. It doesn't matter if it's got 200 or 300,000 miles. The Lexus RX always brings the money. $5,600. Wow. Nuts. What do we got? We got another delay. Come on. Looks like we got another BMW. Another 08 528i. This is a 528i. 125,000 miles. 3.7 on the condition report. See if we can get a bid. Okay, there it goes. Wow, $3,100. Man, BMWs sell cheap. 2012 BMW X3 28i. That's the little SUV. It's got 100,000 miles, 102. 3.7 on the condition report out of 5. Not bad. But not as good as some of these others we've seen. Sold $7,500. Looks like it got one bid for $75. Uh-oh, looks like we got a big Ford F-250 rolling in here. It's a diesel. Uh-oh, where'd it go? Big F-250, 4x4 Lariat. It's out of order. It came through out of sequence, which means it was probably out in the parking lot and wouldn't start. Rivertown Ford trade-in, got 194,000 miles, and it does not have a condition report. I always stay away from those. Well, we've lost our connection. Okay. All right. Where are we now? Looks like a 2012 BMW 535i. 100,000 miles. 4.3 out of 5 on the condition report, so that's good. Let's see if we got some real bids here today. It's a pretty car. It's white. Got some nice wheels. Trunk's a little dirty. Yeah, it's a good looking old car. 10.8. Looks like we're at 10.8 or 10.7. 10.8 to bid. If I wanted to bid on it, that's what I'd have to do. Okay, it's sitting at 10.7. Looks like it may sell for 10.7 for a 2000. Nope, there it goes. Shot up a couple more hundred. 10.9. We're at 10.9. No, backing down to 10.8. .3 condition report, 100,000 miles for a 2012 535i. Don't look like it. They let it go. They didn't sell it. No, it wasn't enough. They wanted more. That happens sometimes. 2012 BMW 328i, 4.0 condition report, 98,000 miles. All right, we've got some bids. Got a couple of people online bidding. Good looking wheels on that 328i. It is the 4-cylinder turbo. Got the keys. Looks like it's got a couple of keys. Good looking car. Looks like we're at about, the high bid's $8,000 right now. And they sold it. 8,000. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. We got a Toyota Tacoma V6 pre-runner. Wow. 309,000 miles. 309. Holy cow. It's a 3-1 on the CR report. I always want to say credit report. Condition report. It's a 3-1 with 309,000 miles. That's really high. Look at that. This thing is selling. I missed the bid for you, but I'll tell you what it sold for. That truck sold for $4,200, man. Now here's an 06 BMW X5. Oh shoot, my computer. I hope the battery didn't die. I think it may have. Yep, battery died. Sorry, folks. Yeah, battery is dead. Hola. Well, that gives you an idea of kind of what the Mannheim auction looks like. So, anyway, y'all have a good day. Whew, excuse me. Thanks for watching. If you like these auction videos, let me know. I can do any of them. Mercedes, Toyota, Hyundai. We can do the repo auctions, which is sometimes entertaining. That's where you'll see a 2018, or let's say a 2019 Hyundai Elantra with 170,000 miles. It's got 4 spare tires on it. Every fender is smashed in and all the lights are busted on it because a payment has never been made on it. So those are sometimes fun to watch. But anyway, y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.